get right into it. I'm gonna go into the NYX Ultimate palette. If you don't have the Sephora Pro palette, this is a good dupe for me. It has all the other colors I would probably want, from warms to cools, and it's the easy grab and go. I need to do something, an extravagant, colorful look, I'll just grab that 9 times out of 10 because it's so small and compact, so it's easy to go. I'm just gonna take the yellowish orange color. They don't really have names, so sorry for me just trying to describe it. It looks more yellow on camera than it does in person. It's more on that orange side of things. And you're gonna see me going back between the two because I really need a strong color payoff between the Sephora Pro and the Ultimates. It's basically those colors, honestly, are very similar. Okay, next I'm gonna grab the Anastasia palette, the Prism one. I absolutely love this palette with the shimmers and the glitters. I love them all. And then we're just gonna go into that deep orange color. This one, I'll leave everything down in the link below. I just forgot the color. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the brown and unpat that onto my lid. This is supposed to be just a smoked out fall kind of smoky eye with a glitter cut crease. It didn't turn out to be like that. Honestly, I was just going with the flow, and then you guys will see that I changed my mind up on what kind of style of look I wanted to do. And yes, I know my hair is crazy, so we're gonna keep the scarf on to the end of the video, okay? Don't judge me. I know y'all don't be up to P's and Q's 24/7. We're just do the waterline. Okay, you guys, I'm just going to take the Total Control drops from NYX, and I do use these as contour colors, so I'm just going to dab, blend that in. Again, I will give you guys the colors and exactly which number of products I use down in the description below. Okay, if I miss anything, just let me know. I'll gladly answer your questions. Again, I'm just gonna use my banana powder. Make sure this lasts all day. Okay, I get very oily in some sections, so that's basically what I'm doing. Under my eyes, on my mouth creases. Around my nose, the norm for me. Now we're just gonna go in with my Artist Couture and the color Conceited, I believe. This is my favorite highlight ever. It's the loose powder, by the way. I know they came out with some new styles, but this is definitely the loose powder. This is my favorite highlighter ever. I think I overdo it sometimes, but you know, I'm extra, alright?